So do you want to remove the shortcut arrows from your icons? Stay tuned and find out. So on the desktop here, I've got a whole bunch of classic shell shortcuts just kind of for a demonstration. What we need to do is we need to bring up the registry editor. So we'll type regedit into our search bar and it should bring up registry edit. Click that. And chances are you will get a UAC dialog box. Go ahead and click yes. And then we need to navigate down to the folder. So if you haven't opened your registry editor before and did anything, we first start with, once I bring it up here, need to open up the HKey local machine key folder, then go down to software, go down to Microsoft, and scroll down a ways till we get to Windows, and then open the current version key set. Go down a ways some more, open the Explorer key, and then when we get to the Explorer we need to create a new key here. So let me go back up to Explorer, and we're going to right click and we're going to say new, and we're going to put key, and then we're going to type in shell icons, so capital SHELL space capital ICONS, and press enter. So it should look exactly like that. And then in the shell icons key set here we need to make a value. We'll make a string value and we're going to call it 29. Why 29? Well, that's just what it is. Now we're going to click enter or double click it, depending which way, to open up its value, and then we're going to type in the following value. So %, WINDIR, %. So this is for whatever directory your Windows installation is in. Put a backslash, capital S, YSTAM32 for system32. Put another backslash there, and then type in shell 32.dll. Put a comma, put a minus or a hyphen, and then the number 50. So it should look like this when you're finished. Click OK. And now we should have this string value in our shell icons registry key. So now what we need to do is restart Windows Explorer to have the effect. So we can either type in Task Manager in our search, or you can press Control-Alt-Delete on your computer and bring up Task Manager that way. And if Task Manager comes like this, it's okay. Just click the More Details. And then we're going to scroll down and we're going to look for the Windows Explorer process, which is right here. Right click it and we're going to click on Restart, and then watch what happens to our icons over here. We restart, and you see we now have black boxes. Now this might happen to you, this may not. It depends purely on your version of Windows, if you're running 10 or 11 or another version, and whatever updates you've got. So in this case we need to use the alternative fix. So we're going to go back to our string value 29, and we are going to simply delete all that data, but we're going to leave the 29 string value there, and we are going to restart Explorer again. So right click, restart. And now you see we have all our shortcuts, but we don't have the shortcut icon anymore. So that is basically the registry fix for that if the original method does not work for you. Now, if you don't want to have this anymore and you want to bring the shortcuts back, just go ahead and delete the shell icons registry key. So when you restart your computer or restart Windows Explorer, that will automatically bring back the shortcut arrows if you want to have them back. Now, if you don't want to mess with the Windows registry, I do have the Windows registry files that you can download and be able to load them into your registry just by opening them, so you don't have to mess with your Windows registry in case you're fearful about messing something up. So I got the two versions here, the remove shortcut arrows and remove shortcut arrows alt. So the first one is the one we did that has the windir and all the values in it. This one is the one we just did where we had just the 29 there and no values in it. So if we double click this, we'll get our UIC dialog and then another warning about adding registry information. We'll go ahead and click yes, and then it will have added that information to our registry. Let's go ahead and restart Windows Explorer again. So bring back up Task Manager. Windows Explorer, let's restart. And you see we got our black boxes again, so obviously that is not working for us. So let me go ahead and run the other one. So if that happens to you, you don't have to go into your registry editor, just run the alt here, and that will override it with the corrected version. Go ahead and restart Windows Explorer once more. And there you have it. We have taken our shortcut arrows away once again. And as I say, if you want to restore them, then you will need to go into your Windows registry and delete the shell icons registry key from that section under the Explorer shell. So, if you're a person that wants to remove your shortcut arrows, this is one little registry hack that's pretty straightforward that'll let you do that. Hey guys, Brian here. Do me a favor and click that like button down below, and while you're at it, go ahead and click the subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any new content when I post it. See you guys in the next one.